Hi there. So this is a nested loop question. We have this inner loop, right, which is is totally within this outer loop. So we know that this inner loop will be executed however many times the outer loop is executed. If the outer loop never executes, that means that the inner loop never executes. So that actually makes it easy to answer this first question. So we know that k is a random number such that k is greater than or equal to 1 and less than or equal to n. Okay? So the minimum number of times that hello will be printed, so k can have a value of 1, right? Because it can be equal to 1. So if k is 1, this outer loop goes from 2, takes the variable p from 2, and loops as long as 2 is less than k. Well, if k is 1, then it doesn't loop at all. So that makes the answer to the first question easy. Is 0 outer loops, meaning 0 interloops, meaning hello will be printed 0 times. And you all got that. Pretty much all of you got that on the on the midterm. Okay, 7, just a little bit trickier. So what is the maximum number of times that hello will be printed? Well, we have to do this either in terms of k or n, right? So I guess really n, because that's the maximum value that k can take. So if let's just for argument's sake say n is 4, right? So k can be equal to 4. Let's look at the loop now. So because we have a less than and equal to here on the outer loop, this loop will go 2, p will be equal to 2, 3, and then 4 before it stops. So if n is 4, it goes 3 times, it's n minus 1 times the outer loop is going to go. Okay, what about the inner loop? The inner loop starts at 1 instead of 2, right? But it stops just before k, so it's not going to go all the way up to n, in this case when k is equal to n. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, right? Which is again n minus 1 when n is equal to 4. So you just look down here for that solution, and it's D. 2 times it's going to do n minus 1 executions. The outer loop will do n minus 1, and the inner loop will do n minus 1. So that's n minus 1 times n minus 1 squared is the answer. Okay? Cool.